See these delicate little flowers?
They need well-draining soil. Nutrient-rich is always great. If not, give them a little bit of fertilizer. But hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody.
Hey guys, today is Plant Chat Friday, and today we're going over Magic Purple Asters.
Yeah, you guys, but before we get to that, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video we post.
So guys, asters. They're
Asters.
beautiful plants. They're late bloomers in the summer, and into the fall they go, and it's awesome.
Oh, they're so beautiful. I mean, first of all, you can't go wrong with purple flowers, in our opinion. But they also support pollinators. They're perennials. There's so many benefits.
So guys, here are our Michaelmas Daisies, or otherwise known as New York Asters. The species name is Asters novi belgii, which is fun to say.
It is fun. Well, actually, what even more fun is that this is a cultivar. It's a hybrid, apparently, called Yo Magic.
Yo Magic.
Yo Magic.
Yo.
Now, you can see these delicate little flowers. Aster flowers come in lots of different sizes. This is a smaller one. And they also come in different colors. They don't just come in purple. I know this Magic Purple line also comes in a Magic Pink.
Oh yeah, that'd be
So
beautiful.
that's kind of cool. So asters do come in various shades of purple and various shades of pink.
Yeah, that'd be great.
So, wait, are there white asters?
I think there are.
Yeah. Oh, right. We did find out for our recent plant profile that there are white. I forgot.
Yep, you're right, yeah.
So that'd be kind of fun to have a cultivar that's white. But anyway, we're loving the purple.
Guys, these are a little bit more compact than some other asters out there. These guys right here, the Magic Purple Aster, they'll grow up to about 14 inches high, and they need, the tag says anyway, 18 inches of space, but you can see here we put them in a pot. We're gonna take these perennials and put them here for the winter. We're gonna enjoy their flowers in the pot, and then we'll overwinter them here. And so they're gonna be great. They're gonna grow into each other relatively fast, as you can see, because we've got them spaced that way. But it's gonna be the solid, nice color right here, and it's gonna be beautiful.
I know, and I'm excited to put these in our landscape probably next year, next spring.
Me too. I'll be really, really happy to get these out into our landscape out here and see how they do.
And so they need full sun, right? But they can take some partial sun.
Yep, exactly. So guys, they need well-draining soil. Nutrient-rich is always great. If not, give them a little bit of fertilizer, but that well-draining component of the soil is very important. Deadheading is going to be really worthwhile. If you deadhead, it'll continue them to flower a little bit more, and it'll keep them very tight.
So like we mentioned, these are fall bloomers, but this cultivar actually blooms a little earlier in the late summer.
So as you can see, they're in full bloom, and they're known to bloom from midsummer into the fall season. So they're perfect for right now.
And obviously they're good for containers, but you can put them in borders and surround them with other companion plants. Goldenrod would be a beautiful choice, and that's something that we want to add to our landscape. Other companion plants besides goldenrod would be maybe your black-eyed Susans would be.
And ornamental grasses.
Ornamental grasses would be
really
awesome.
pairs well with a lot of different types of perennial ornamental grasses, so that would be good.
That'd be good. And if you're using it in a border, I think it'd be beautiful with some of these plants. I mean, we've got mums there, we've got pansies, we've got violas.
Oh yeah, and if you
So
saw
any of those.
if you saw our live, you know that we were using these to figure out what to plant over here. And here's for our episode, or our day 170, where we did a live and planted all this on camera with you guys. So guys, zoning, hardiness. These guys will grow anywhere from zones 4 to 8 USDA hardiness zones. So that's a pretty wide range, and they grow really well in our climate here, which is zone 8B.
These asters we actually picked up at Watson's Greenhouse, which is one of our absolute favorite nurseries in the Tacoma area. These came from these plants were bred at the Skagit Gardens, though.
Yeah, that's up north of us in Mount Vernon, Washington. And what a great organization. They grow some really high quality product.
Yeah, these are super healthy plants. What else about these plants have we not shared yet? So you guys, these obviously, you probably noticed these look like little daisies, right? They are in the daisy family, Asteraceae.
Did you guys know that aster is actually Greek? It came from the Greek word for star.
Yeah, Aster means star. We threw that out on our Instagram page today. That was fun.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Actually, if you go to our Instagram page, you'll see a blooming progression of one of these flowers from bud to flower.
Oh, yeah.
So that's always fun to see.
Really fun. So guys, that's Michaelmas Daisies, or also known as New York Asters.
Yeah, and this cultivar, again, is Magic Purple, and the specific hybrid is Yo Magic.
Yo Magic.
So that's cute. So they're just new, they're young plants for us. We're gonna help them grow and mature over the fall and winter, and then we'll plant them in our landscape next spring.
Yep, really excited to do that. So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yep, that's a wrap for today's plant chat, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow with a garden tool to highlight, so come on back to see which one we're highlighting. Have a great day and a good start to your weekend.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.